To change the appearance of your CorelDRAW from dark to light, you come to the Tools menu. You click on Option. Then you click on Customization. You'll be able to change from the theme of your should I say the environment, the workspace, the theme of your workspace, either to be light or it should be medium or it should be dark or black. So this is how it's done in CorelDRAW. Anyone you wish to choose, you click on it, then you click and you can edit it here. Let's assume I'm using black. I might want to change some things here, which is the Windows border. This Windows border, I might want to make it 100% black. 0 0 0 0 0. So you click on cancel. So here the desktop, you might want to play with it. Let me check 0 0 9 8 9 8 D8. Cancel. So this is the environment. Can you see how it is now? You might want to use something like this. And you want to, in case you make mistake, you can return you set to default. Or come back. Let me just click on this and select it so that you see how it looks. Okay. Then press Ctrl 0, Ctrl Shift F7. Go to page. Can you see it? This is how everything will look. This is how it's done in CorelDRAW. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. You're welcome.